Welcome back to the second part of the lesson, grade 11s. I hope you are still with me. To get our net profit for the year for Pule, we will simply add primary distribution to final distribution. So it will be 256,000 plus 21,000 there. 256,000 plus 21,000, it gives you 277,000. To get your retained income, we will simply say 277,000 minus 80,000. It works out to 197. Alternatively, you can say 222,600 minus 25,600. It gives you the same answer, 197,000. Then moving on to Lehlo's balance at the beginning there, it's given in our question paper as 83,400. Why is it in brackets? Because it's unfavorable. You remember that current account is an equity, so it increases on the credit side, decreases on the debit side. That's why there it's in brackets in our answer book. Let's go to our answer book there. It's in brackets, 83,400. How do we get our closing balance? We will say 33,400 minus 83,400. It gives us minus 50,000. And to get our total, we will say 222,600 minus 50,000. It gives us 172,600, and this 172,600 is the amount you'll record in your statement of financial position or balance sheet under partners equity. That's your closing balance in your financial statements.